Francisco Acuna, the shortstop, leads off for the Mission / Flying Chocolates. Last of the first inning, and the pitch by Schwang. Right hand to Wines, the one-strike pitch. Slider, check swing. Check it out. Worked 153 2/3 innings and balls this year. 2-1 delivery from last month. During 8-6 starts, walked 3, struck out 20. Set the high kick, the 3-2 pitch again. This was below average release height. Throw that for Seaver with pinpoint control. And the next pitch is strike 3. Schwang kicks the one-strike delivery. Breaking ball low. Now the 1-1 delivery. Breaking ball walked on and struck out 9. And the next pitch. And this one is innings in 3 straight games. He's ready. 4 hits, no walks, and 1 strikeout. And a swing and a miss. And speaking of strikeouts, Valenzuela goes. Attended college in the States, Arizona State University. Right-hand batter takes the fastball high and away, 1-0. Of course, naturally, with both Schwang and Lin from Taiwan, they speak the same language, so they're able to communicate while they're a battery. Now the kick by Patino, the 1-0 delivery. Now the 2-0 pitch, and it's at the knees for a strike, 2-1 on Lin. And with the Astros in the 29th round in 2018. And now the pitch, and it's off the outside corner, 23. 3-1 delivery, check swing call, strike on the outside. Late for the Amarillo South Poodles in 21 as well as 22 and 24. Of course, Arizona State University, where he played and attended school, one of the finest baseball schools in the land. Runners at first and second, 1 out, a run in. Rockhounds lead 1-0. The pitch swung on and missed. So Lin goes down on strikes. Patino kept the pitch away. 2 men out, and for Luis Patino, that is his second strikeout. Back to the top of the order for the second baseman, Colby Halter, who flied to right field his first time up. He's a left-hand batter. The top of the sitting lead, 1-0, and the pitch. Right-hander ready, the 2-1 delivery, check swing, call. 2-2 delivery, check swing, low and inside. Runner goes, and the pitch swung on and missed, and down goes Gomez. Strike 3, struck him out. Got fooled on a slider, and that'll do it for the Flying Chocolates here in the second inning. Winds the pitch to the left-hand batter. Swing and a miss. Nice change on a good night. Now the 1-strike offering. Little jeer with the Mets and Rangers last year. Here's the 1-2 offering. Pulled foul, by the way. 1-2 delivery.
And
spent 17 years with the Yankees and the card at Yankee Stadium, number 8, because of both of them. Pitch is fouled. 2-2 pitch coming up. Here it is. Slider swinging a miss, and Murphy goes down on strikes. 1 away. Strikeout number 4 for Chen Schwang. Now the right fielder, Josh Beers, will bat for the first time. Big right-hand batter hitting 170.
Sanabria up there. Next the runner at second, brings it to the plate. And he catches the knee-high, leading the league in hitting. And he had a B in, and here it comes, and swung on and missed for strike 3. So Sanabria fooled on the off-speed pitch, 1 down. He chases close. And that's a case again tonight. And once again, Murphy way out in a way. Here's the 0-2. Strike 3, got him. That ends the inning. Missions leave the sacks jam, but they do pick. That pitching change brought to you by Mac.bid. Here's Lyle Lynn. 1 out, nobody on, tie game. And he cracks that one into shallow right field. Who's going to get it? Right fielder Mears, drifting to his right, makes the catch. 2 down. So a new San Antonio pitcher. He's got the first 2 guys easily. And here's the top of the order, Colby Halter.
Yeah, Patino.
Second and third. Sanabria pops it up on the infield. That should be caught. Catcher behind home plate with his back to the infield makes the play. So Sanabria got under it and fouls out to the catcher. 2 down now.
Schwang's really hanging tough, but I'll tell you one thing. The Missions need to take advantage of all the opportunities. This Midland team is a team that doesn't roll over and die. You have to try to get them while you can, especially when they're against the ropes. You just try to deliver the knockout punch, but second, but Castagnone held it third.
Here's Moises Gomez, who 4-1. The right field wall. Gomez waits, and he's 2 strikes. Here it comes. And he's out in front of that pitch. Swings and misses. Strike 3, but a good one for San Antonio. The big blast, a double by.
And he has walked 1 in his field 11.
And to lead off the young Arizonan. New pitcher out there, Rodriguez. Good hat trick. Too high.
And that 3-run fifth for San Antonio.
Too low. Got around late. Murphy in center field. And 2-2. And he swings and foul tips it. Strike 3. Murphy out. And coming up now, Joshua Mears. Joshua had a real big hit starting the. Still a good ways to go yet. 0-2. Swing and a miss. Strike 3. 2 quick outs on strikeouts. Top of the order now, Francisco Acuna.
And Midland pitching has failed the last 3. Boy, this Rodriguez just a real strikeout machine. And again, it's but it is an infield hit. Tying at the plate now, and Lyle Lynn, the catcher, and he takes the pitch for a strike in the outside corner. Nothing. Struck out the first 2, then got into trouble. Now the right-hander ready, and the 0-1 delivery, and it's tap foul behind the plate. That's outfield not too deep toward the right. The 2-strike delivery, check swing, and the slider's up in his only inning in the 5th. 1-2 pitch, fastball outside, and the count in the 10th. 2 of them RBI walks. Soft line driving to left center. That's going to drop in for a base hit. Rounding second and holding there is Swift, and the throw gets back in, and just like that, Midland slowly but surely finding themselves back in this game. Nobody out, and up to the plate has the go-ahead run to second baseman Kobe Halter, who has flied to right twice and has been struck out. Nothing for 3. This moment, the catcher Lyle Lynn, who has struck out, fly to right and second to left center. 1 for 3. Now the pitch on the way. Check swing, strike in the outside corner, 0-1. And a lot of the people still here for tonight, and it's going to be a big night tomorrow with that Hawaiian shirt giveaway. Ground ball, a fair ball past the first baseman Snabria down the right field line. Hustling after it is Mears, and a good hustle, throwing it back in to hold Lynn at first with a 2-out single. Looked like that had double written all over it, but Mears playing toward the line, really hustled, and a nice effort by Mears. Good throw getting back in. Hit number 9 for the Rockhounds, and for Lynn is second of the night. So he keeps the ball game alive, and now the Tiger at the plate as the second baseman